Hi, and welcome to Coolfixin. This video will teach you a very easy method to repair loose hinges. Loose door hinges are one of the most common repairs. Hinges become loose when their screws no longer work properly. Notice that the screw for this hinge can be easily pushed and pulled. This is a video of a different hinge. In this video, the door is removed. However, removing the door is not required. The two top hinge holes are fine, but the bottom hole is damaged. Hammer a golf tee in the screw opening. Now you have enough wood in the opening so that the screw can be properly drilled to attach the hinge. Normally, caulk is not necessary with loose hinge repairs, but in this case, there are gaps between the jamb and trim. We need to caulk these gaps. After a second coat of caulk and painting, this loose hinge repair is complete. Please like us, that really makes us feel great. And check out other tutorials from Coolfixin. Thanks for watching.